Hi, this is me, Amal Hermuz from Vivian Hair Design in Spain. As you see, I have here with me a lovely, nice lady. She's first time here in Vivian Hair Design. Her name is Sandra. She's from England, yeah. And she come here with this style. I'm gonna show it to you, like little bit different style what we usually cut. So, and she have problem with the style, so she come to ask us something. So, Sandra, what can we do for you?
Something a bit more modern and not as brighter look.
Yeah, something nice, easy. Okay, you cannot style this hair, no? Is it difficult for you?
It is, yes.
Yes. So she wants something easy, nice, modern, lovely, and make her a little bit young.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
definitely. That would be lovely.
Yeah. As you see, what they did here, they cut this very, very short, unfortunately. So the crown goes open, and here is too long. What we're gonna do? We're gonna do the opposite way. What we're gonna do? We're gonna cut this side all short and make it more trendy and fashion. I'm gonna come back later to show you the style. So this is her style before, and we will come later to show you how we're gonna cut her hair, how to make her lovely, nice, modern lady and looking young. Yeah. So far, we will see you later. Bye bye. So we are almost finished from the side. As you see, we cut on the hair with the razor, so you have this nice, lovely effect in the hair. Okay, I'm gonna turn her a little bit so to show you. I did already the another side also. We have the same side, beautiful, nice, lovely, and it's very, very attractive style. Now we're gonna cut the 4 count. We're gonna cut this side. So what we do is we will take from here just a little bit hair, and then we will cut the hair from short to long to get the effect here, the voluminous. So I'm cutting here just a little bit, not too short hair, and from short to long, so it goes as a lovely, nice flower here. After cutting that, we will do her fringe here. I want her to have a lovely, nice fringe, so we're going to cut it here a little bit shorter, and we leave it here a little bit long. See, that's a beautiful, nice fringe. So from short to long, and this one also the same. From the hair, we cut it from short to long, so it's very easy for us to style the hair. So from short to long, nice and modern style, and we leave this part a little bit long. As you see, her part here is very short, and that part is very long. Yeah. Now I'm gonna style her hair, and then we will show you the style. Yeah. So we will see you in a bit. Bye bye. We're gonna blow dry her hair now. Style it with hand, easy and simple. Sandra from England. First time she was here in Vivian Hair Design. This is her finishing touch. As you see, nice and lovely modern style. I show you here, we have the fringe very short, and this side we lift it a little bit long, modern. She don't like to have difficult style. I'm gonna turn the chair so you can see the style. Lovely, nice, very, very attractive, easy, simple. We didn't blow dry it, we style it just with hand and it stays perfect. I'm gonna turn a little bit here, then you can see the lovely, nice style of Sandra. We are very happy as Vivian Hair Design for her style. So Sandra, for you, what do you like your hairstyle?
I do, I love it, yes, thank you.
Yeah, so do you want to say anything to everybody there in the world? Okay, Sandra, thank you very much. This was Sandra in Vivian Hair Design. First time she was here and we asked her to be our model. She's very happy and we are happy. Thank you very much, Sandra from England, for visiting us. Bye-bye.